Welcome to this guided meditation, Triple A, to transform your life. Find a comfortable spot where you can sit and relax. Close your eyes and dive into this meditation. Take few deep breaths. And with each deep breath, you are enhancing your relaxation and letting go of all the stress. So we are going to take 5 deep breaths. And with each deep breath, all the stress that is on your mind is fading away. Things that could be lingering from the past, emotions, unresolved matters, pain. With each breath, it is fading away into the present moment. And as you continue breathing, your mind disconnects from the future worries, projections, expectations, fears, and insecurities. And as you continue with deep breathing, you get anchored into the present moment. And this deep sense of peace, relaxation prevails as you breathe in and fill up your body and each and every cell with this deep sense of peace and harmony. And as you breathe out, you're releasing all the residue of stress from your physical body, from your subconscious mind, and surrendering to this present moment. So take a few more deep breaths, anchoring this peace, relaxation, and surrender. And now take yourself to a beautiful, calming, relaxing place which is soothing for you. It could be mountains, trees, ocean, gardens, forest. And as you get there, you see the beauty of the nature. Observe the sky, the water, trees, birds, different shades, colors. Sense the ground under your feet and touch through the soft sand, trees, water. Hear the sounds of the birds, trees, wind, waves. Smell the fragrance in this beautiful place. And see if you could taste anything from your environment. And as you're walking through and exploring this beautiful, magical place, find a comfortable spot to sit. And now, taking this moment for introspection. A for acknowledgement. You're going to acknowledge what you have in your life Maybe it's your health. Maybe it's your loved ones. Maybe it's your job. It's your passion. Maybe it's your financial abundance. So everything that you have in your life, which you could have taken for granted, your health, your loved ones, your safety, your security, your convenience, your travels. Take a moment to acknowledge and let all this appear in front of you, acknowledging what you have achieved, manifested, created, and everything that you have in your life. And now, acknowledge what is missing. What is your pain point? What is the missing piece that is impacting this whole puzzle of your life and joy? It could be a particular diagnosis, a health issue. It could be a particular bitter relationship that is giving you sorrow and pain. It could be an incident from the past. It could be financial crisis, struggles in your work. Whatever it is, take a moment to acknowledge what is your challenge of life. And now, the second day is for appreciation. Open your heart and give gratitude to everything that you have working well in your life. So radiating this appreciation and gratitude from your heart to your health, to your body, to your digestion, to your stable sound mind, to your good quality of sleep, maybe to the house that you live in, people that you live with, your loved ones, their care, their compassion, your success, your work, all the support system that you have, safety, security, and abundance that you have in your life. Take a moment to appreciate all that is functioning beautiful in your life, which you may have taken for granted till now. Whether it's things, people, situations, or your might and health. And now you're going to extend your appreciation and your gratitude to the challenges of your life, to the limitations of your life, because these limitations and these challenges are pivotal for your growth, for your wisdom. So wherever you're blocked, it is an opportunity of growth. A particular conflict, a situation that is blocking your life is a secret gift that is wrapped in this particular situation or a stressor. So each of your conflict, each of your lack, each of your trauma and situation is holding a diamond of wisdom and growth. So even though you don't know or you haven't explored and figured out that diamond of wisdom, your strength, your growth from the situation, you're ready to appreciate and give gratitude to these problems, to these situations that have come to you like a messenger, bringing a powerful message of growth and empowerment for you. Each situation has come to teach you an important lesson and a message. So take a moment to share your gratitude. And thank you to each and every problem that prevails in your life. As things that don't break you, they make you strong. And you're ready to tap into that strength, into that growth and wisdom. And now, the third day is for allowing all that you want to manifest in your life. Giving yourself permission and showing that worthiness. I am worthy of abundance, success, good health, happy relationships. I allow all the blessings, support, growth to come to my life effortlessly. And through allowing, you are clearing all the limiting belief systems that could be blocking your transformation, your growth, your achievements, your success. So opening up your heart and allowing and trusting the universe. And affirming to yourself, I am worthy of love, abundance, success, health, and happiness. Being happy, being healthy, being abundant and successful is my birthright. It comes naturally to me. I allow all the good things to flow to me. And I'm ready to let go of any limiting belief systems, any self-sabotage patterns that could be blocking all this goodness, blessings, and miracles from filling in to my life and in my reality. Letting go of all the limiting belief systems that you could have accumulated in this lifetime, from your environment, from people, from situations, from culture, from collective consciousness, or even inherited. Allowing it all to release and let go as they're not serving you. And tapping into your power, surrendering and trusting the universe. So take a few more deep breaths to integrate this acknowledgement, appreciation, and allowing all the good things to flow in your life. And take this peace, harmony, appreciation in your life. And may you have a blessed day and life. Thank you.